15 reasons why now is the time to invest in crypto. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets in which a decentralized system uses blockchain technology to maintain records of verified transactions and assets. In today's video, we will see the top 15 reasons why now is the time to invest in crypto. Number 15. The currency of the future. The flawed banking systems that aroused our suspicions in 2008 made more and more people in the crypto space choose the better alternative, cryptocurrencies. Such digital currencies aren't involved with the government and are secured, decentralized, and a better option. The crazy part of such a system is that even banks know about it and support it now. According to many bankers, the traditional banking system is very fragile, and very soon, by 2030, more than half of the population is going to take up cryptocurrencies. Even Elon Musk, one of the largest asset grabbers, said that he believes transferring assets is better to be digital than a piece of paper. We can easily imagine that crypto will be very present in the near future. Number 14. A new technology. Cryptocurrencies are one of the biggest digital inventions after the internet, making it very important to stay up to date. Back in the days when the internet was just invented, many people didn't want to get involved with it, and some even wanted to stop it. Similarly, many appear to be the blockers in the crypto road even now. Just as how all our information is now sought from the internet and how we are completely dependent on the internet for most of our work, one day we might be dependent on cryptocurrencies. That is why it is very important to stay in touch and up to date with the opportunities cryptocurrencies have to offer now. Number 13. Opportunities for individuals. Cryptocurrency offers the best opportunities, and individuals get awesome rewards and benefits for investing in crypto. You can earn a lot and get a lot of opportunities just by investing in it. Smart investments lead to amazing results. For instance, if you had invested in Bitcoin 10 years back with an amount of $10, by now it would have reached an amount of $92,000. Cryptocurrency goes under some leaps and downs that can result in a risky loss situation. Getting properly educated on good strategies and investments will result in a better opportunity for anyone interested. So do not wait anymore and get proper knowledge and education on cryptocurrencies and make yourself successful. Number 12. A better alternative for saving money. We all know how much of an upgrade cryptocurrencies are and how much safer they are from the traditional methods. With traditional currencies, you won't be able to use the same amount of currency for buying things in the next 10 years. With inflation, the value decreases as time passes, and you cannot purchase the same asset using that previous value you bought 10 years back. Cryptocurrencies are more volatile than any other currencies available, and as much as their values keep fluctuating, these are still safer in the long term. Moreover, with its continuous trending nature, it will surely continue to be giving you an equal amount of profits. It is a better option than any banks or other options because it will probably always keep trending for a long time, and the investments probably won't be as volatile in the future, so it's safer and a good option. Number 11. Safer against inflation. As users of the traditional banking system, the biggest risks we undergo are risks of inflation that is blowing up. Sometimes traditional investments may reach highs, resulting in better results, but sometimes blow up the stocks and destroy the lives of many who invested their life earnings here. These happen while countries are hit with economic and financial crises. Banks or other traditional systems decrease their interest rates. As a result, more notes are printed, but there's a catch. With the increase of the price of goods, the value of the currency decreases. This is called inflation. Thus, a reason why people trust gold or any other asset more than that money. During any economic or financial crisis, the value of gold doesn't suddenly vanish or decrease, but holds its value. Same way, cryptocurrency and other crypto assets hold their value and don't suddenly vanish into thin air. Crypto holds its value and is inflation-proof. Number 10. It's easy. Joining the crypto space and making money is one of the easiest things in the world. You don't need a PhD or any other kind of degree to use cryptocurrencies. You can buy, sell, and easily start your investments without any problems or delays. You just need a good internet connection, a bit of money, and you can earn money. Number 9. You are in control of your own money. Millions and millions of individuals are now controlling their Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. There's no such thing as a ruler or mastermind behind it. You control your own money and your investments. Nobody orders you to do it, nor do you pay anyone to do it. You are the only owner and controller of your investments and transactions. Number 8. Safety. Even though there's no big and powerful company or power monitoring it, it's still definitely the safest platform for your transactions. All data related to your account regarding your investments, selling, buying, etc. are safely and securely stored without anyone external putting any pressure, so you can count on it being the most secure and trust it fully. Number 7. Low fees. In traditional investing, whenever you buy, sell, invest, or even store your assets, you are required to pay a certain fee to the platform. Crypto uses the same method, but the fees you will pay here are a lot lower than any other traditional methods, even when you want to transfer your assets to somewhere else. In the case of a bank, you need to pay a high fee, but with crypto, you can easily complete your transaction with just a minimal amount, since there is no third party to earn profits through crypto. Number 6. Crypto is here to stay. Blockchain technology is a revolution. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are made with blockchains. Big businesses and companies use blockchains to store their data. Healthcare providers use them to safely store important information about their patients and other medical information. Blockchains can even be used in elections in a secure and contentious-free way to store votes which might need recounts. Number 5. High profit margins. We all know how much crypto has a higher chance of providing profits because of its high market potential. So if you have the right strategy, you can increase your profits high and fast. For example, crypto like Ethereum had an amazing increase in value in 2020 with a very high profit margin. Many people even considered it to be the next Bitcoin. There are still opportunities like this with other coins, so now is the time if you want to grab your success. Number 4. The value of limited supply. Banks have a higher supply than any cryptocurrencies. Thus, it can suffer from inflation, especially after going through a major financial crisis. This is why some cryptocurrencies are conceived with a limited supply into their coding and cannot suffer from inflation. The production of new coins like Bitcoin slows down every 4 years, resulting in a limited supply of tokens and creates a rare asset similar to gold. Number 3. An independent system. Traditional banks are always somehow influenced by the government or some other higher institution. From printing money to borrowing it from the government or creating endless debt, everything is managed and somehow controlled by them. Whereas in crypto, everything is managed independently from governments and institutions. Number 2. A growing market adoption. Cryptocurrencies have been in our lives for the last dozen years, and they have already won over the market because of the revolutionary blockchain technology and profitable results. And with more and more people accepting and using it, we are sure cryptocurrencies in the near decades will blast up the market for good. Number 1. Big businesses approval. Companies like Microsoft, McDonald's, and many other big businesses are already using cryptocurrencies, and many are sure of its upcoming success, although people are still claiming they will never use it because of its volatile nature. Eventually, it will even out in the future. So these were the 15 reasons why now is the time to invest in crypto. Do you think now is the time? Do you think cryptos are here to stay? Are you ever going to use it? Let us know in the comment section below.